What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. We're back to the Zentangle patterns. That's what we got going for you today. So what we were waiting for, let's roll the intro. What's up, everybody, and welcome to the show. If you're new, my name is Romeo. I am a sketch and life coach. I upload art therapy videos on a Tuesday and Wednesday. I help people to focus on their careers, on their skills, remove any past trauma, anxiety, hone in on any skills they may think they may not have, and bring that out of them so they can lead a successful life and also create a life that they want to and a career that they want to achieve. I also draw people's portraits for them, from their friends, family members, and to their pets in graphite pencil. If you'd like to know more, you can go to my website www.romeosketches.co.uk, or you can click any of the links below in the description below. Not only that, I'm also an author. I do all sorts of books, and also from notebooks, journals, planners, and I also create my t-shirt designs, which coming up now this month is going to be Valentine's. 14th of February, Valentine's Day. I have a number of products on my Redbubble store, from t-shirts, t-shirt designs, book covers, all sorts of pillowcases, all sorts of things, all t-shirts, all sorts of things to do with Valentine's Day. Here are a few of my designs that I've done. And also as well, I have quite a few. I have a gratitude journal on my Amazon store, also to do with Valentine's Day. The book is right here. If you want to find any of these books or find any of these products, you just click the links that's in the description below. So yes, and a big thank you to all my new subscribers as well. Thank you and welcome to the channel. What we do on this channel, what I basically do on this channel, I help you guys out with any of your art needs. It will be either from teaching you how to draw to art therapy drawing, so you can just sit back, relax, and have a chilled out one, or I will be showcasing different art channels, other different art galleries, museums, things like that I'll be going out and sort of checking out and bringing you guys anything to do with art. Very much art related channel, very much art related show. We're going to be bringing you more things to do with art. I'm going to be doing different creations, giving you all sorts of different insights into different things of how to create stuff. It is pretty much a craft channel as well. I'll show you guys how to create things with your kids, from any sorts of crafting stuff. So with Christmas and Easter and upcoming events, things like that, I create those things so that you can do those things with your kids. So in a nutshell, they're the sort of things that we like to do on this channel, giving you guys as much information on all the things to do with art, whether it's related on drawing, VR art, which is what I've been doing lately as well. I'm still going to be doing even though I'm not doing it on today's show, I still do my VR art drawings and videos. They're coming out on separate videos there. They won't be linked, like I said last week, they won't be linked to these videos. They'll be separate videos. And these showcase videos as well will be a little bit more shorter now as well. It won't be so much of me going on and on and on and talking. So a lot more of it is going to be a bit more of a show and tell type of thing, where I'll be going out, looking at other different arts on the walls, in galleries, statues, museums, all of that sort of thing, bringing you guys all of that sort of good stuff. Very much looking forward to doing all of that thing, and also coming up with all different ideas of other different things that I want to be showcasing in art forms. It will either be drawing, designing, creating. It could be on digital stuff. I want to really sort of expand on this channel now as well, and bring you guys lots more variety of creative things that you can do. It's going to range from drawings, designing, graphic art, video making, all of that sort of thing we'll be bringing to you now on this channel. A lot more showcasing stuff so that everyone can get involved with any types of art. And so, with that little speech out of the way, let's move on to today's art therapy drawings. We are going to be drawing another, let me just bring it up, if we can find it in this book. We are going to be drawing another Bookmark Zentangle pattern. We're going to be drawing this one here. Very simple to do. All you're going to need is a pencil, pen, a ruler, and eraser to follow along. So what are we waiting for, folks? And how was that video for you guys? Hope you enjoyed that video. Give us a like if you did. And give us a thumbs down if you didn't. Let me know why you didn't. But I hope you did. I hope you did enjoy it. Anyway, that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo. This is Romeo Sketches. Signing off. Peace out.